Good morning, Sparrows Point Middle School. This is your friendly neighborhood stat teacher here, Mr. Wickman. This morning, I'm going to show you how to go into your grade settings and change your settings to the BCPS 50-point scale instead of the 100-point scale. Now, the benefit of the 50-point scale is that you'll be able to use the old school LS like you were in N grade. And obviously, we'll still be in compliance with the grading manual by doing this, and it will make your life a little bit easier when it comes time to add those comments for grades that were earned. Otherwise, the grade would show up as like a 50% in the grade book, but there would be a comment that says the student earned like a 30%, and parents and students could be kind of confused by that. So we're going to use the 50-point scale so that we can use the LS. So right now on my screen, you see that I'm on my courses page. These are some of my old courses. I'm going to go into my course. I'm going to go over here to the left side and click Grades Setup. You see we have the categories are already weighted there for me. That has not changed, 70 points and 30 points for minor and major, and practice not counting at all. Then I scroll down to the gradebook scale. I'm going to change this to the BCPS 50-point grading scale so that we can use the LS feature. Then scroll all the way down to the bottom and click Save Changes. Now you will have to do this for each of the classes that you teach, so that may be a little tedious, but you do it once and you never have to do it again. Now if I go into my gradebook, I'll be able to include the LS where I was not able to do that before. Before, people were getting an error message down here at the bottom, but now it says that it has saved. Have a wonderful week.